In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a moving average on NinjaTrader. Now to do this, you first want to open a chart. So I'm actually going to go to the top left, click on New, and then click on Chart over here. And of course, you want to select the instrument that you want to open the chart for and hit OK. Once you do this, you'll see your chart over here just like that. Now, of course, you want to right click anywhere inside an empty area and then click on Indicators. You could also press Ctrl+I to open up the Indicators window, which looks like this. From here, you want to go to the search box and you want to type in Moving Average like this, or you can go ahead and type in MA, or just look for the one you need. So if I go ahead and type in Moving Average like this, you'll see that if I scroll down, there's going to be a bunch of different ones. We have the EMA over here, and then we have the SMA over here, and then there's some other ones as well, like triple exponential moving average, the triangular moving average, then we have T3 moving average. There's a bunch of different ones, okay? So pick the one you want. I'm actually going to go for an SMA over here, so I'm going to type it in. I'm going to click on SMA. You can also double click it or click on Add down here. You can set your parameters, and when you're done, hit the Apply and OK button, and as you can see, I've successfully added a moving average on NinjaTrader 8, okay? That's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.